My dear friend, see that we human beings are to be called the superior to all the creatures of God. You know why? What the difference exactly between the human and the animals? The only difference we human beings just enjoy for tomorrow, live for tomorrow, but the animal only survive. They just physically survive. They get satisfied, being satisfied with the stomach. But we human beings least bother about our stomach. Why should we bother? We bother about our new revelations, new idea, innovations, so that each and every second of our life we can enjoy. We enjoy for tomorrow. That's why struggle today exactly. Because we are not here to eat. We are not here to survive. We are here to contribute with some new idea to take the entire society into a certain height with full of comfortability, with full of satisfactions, with full of time demand. So that not only we human being, even our associates living being like trees, like animals, like all the creatures of God would remain very much happy and remain healthy over here. But one thing I can't understand exactly why we people have made our life so much busy. But in reality, exactly, do you have the purpose of life? But one thing I can give you the guarantee, my dear friend, if we had the real purpose of life, we would never been busy because the people having the purpose, they are having the easy life, and since having the easy life, they are having no disease also. They are having the healthy life. But the people having no purpose of life, being very confused, being very much dejected, being very much disheartened, they just very hurriedly, rapidly moving here and there without any destination of life. So, whatever I feel exactly, the time has come just to guide our upcoming generation with a purpose. Just ask them their ambitions. Try to understand their interest, their knack, and according to their interest and knack, we have to produce some individual personality, not a late produced robotic persons I'm talking about. So in this context here, we parents must have to take a big role over here. So let our child grow up with their own essence of habits. So, first of all, we parents must have to take care of our children to grow up, not impose any fear to grow old. Because a child is to be grown up with a moral support, with care. But a child becomes old when the child is under pressure, under fear, or under some making confused purpose of life. So obviously from the very beginning, every individual, every child must have the clarity of the purpose. Because if a person does not have the purpose of life, the purpose not only blind, the purpose will just become very busy, very hurried, and very much purposeless journey of life, because the person can never think something for tomorrow. The person can never feel creative over here. The persons always feel to survive because the persons having no any enjoyment of life, just to survive their life. So what I feel exactly, purpose of life in such a thing, no, that will give the oxygens to live longer, that will give the oxygens to do something better that will give the light to enlighten for tomorrow, I should say. So, purpose of life is very important thing, but unfortunately, we human being, the modern human being, having no any purpose, just to survive under some tricky people, some commercially tricky people, they are just managing their pocket, just snatching the 99% very average people. So it is very much awful. It is very much what I should say, worst crisis of coming human society. Thank you.